Hello children, how are you all? All are fine and happy, no? Yes, so you are preparing for your FA2 exam? We are doing revision of English. Okay children? Yes, so take out your homework book. Write down in that book, copy what I am giving, write down one time so you will be able to learn. Write down a revision. First to write up heading right, revision of FA2 exam. You are having FA2 exam, no? So we will do revision. Okay? Yes, write down meanings. MEANINGS meanings. I have given you in your homework book also. Okay children? Number 1 is dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Yes, so dog. What is the meaning of dog? An animal. An animal. Write down correct spelling. See, you have to select the correct answer. Okay, in this you have to select animal. 2 options will be given, animal or bird. So dog is animal, so you have to tick animal. Okay, you have written an animal. Number 2 is cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. What is the meaning of cat? Very good. An animal. A-N, an animal. Cat is also an animal. You have written, copy this, dog an animal, cat an animal. This is lesson number 3, no? Rahul and his friends. Okay, now this is of lesson 4. Meaning, scared. We have done this revision. Again and again we are doing to prepare for exam. Yes, write down number 1, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. What is the meaning of scared? You all know this, scared. Very good. Frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. Okay children? Frightened. Very good. Number 2 is excited. Copy this. Write down number 2, excited. Then if it will come in exam, you have to select the correct answer. Okay? Excited. You have written. What will come? Excited. Very happy. Write down in your book. V-E-R-Y, very happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy, very happy. Excited, very happy. Okay, completed these meanings. Yes, this is your revision. So you all have written once. Okay. Now see, give one word. Write heading, give one word. Give one word. Number 1 is See, I will read word by word. You have to write word by word, okay? Gently. Gently. Gently moves. Moves. Moves once. O-N-E, then apostrophe S. Once. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across the skin. S-K-I-N. Skin or fur. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Very good. Write down the answer. Answer is stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. Number 2. The. T-H-E. The. For. F-U-R. For. Or. O-R. Or. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. On. O-N. On. An. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. What will be the answer? Coat. Very good. Write coat answer. This also you have to, in paper it will come select. Okay, then you have to select coat if this sentence comes. Okay, if this comes. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. That is coat. Number 3. See number 3. A sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. That. T-H-A-T. That. A cat makes. M-A-K-E-S. Makes. A sound that a cat makes. That is purrs. P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. Okay, children? Very good. Now number 4. Moves. M-O-V-E-S. Moves from side to side. Dog moves his tail from side to side. This is coming in your lesson. Moves from side to side. What will it come? What dog does with his tail? Yes, very good. What is doing? What is dog doing? Dog is moving from side to side his tail. So what we call that? Moves from side to side we call wags. W-A-G-S. Wags. W-A-G-S. Wags. See, this is in your textbook. Okay, moves from side to side. That is wags. Okay, children? Write this properly. Very good. Now answer this question. See question number 1. Here, copy this question first. Very good. I want you all to write this. Question 1. What? W-H-A-T. What? Is. I-S. Is. Cats. C-A-T-S. Cats. Name. N-A-M-E. Name. What is cat's name? What is cat's name? Copy down this question. Very good. What is cat's name? Copy fast. Yes, now write down answer. Copy this question. In the exam also it will come. In the exam that you have to type. What is cat's name? Type, you have to type. Okay. Cat's name is Mimi. Cats. See, capital C is there. Cats. C-A-T-S. Cat's name. N-A-M-E. Name is. I-S. Is Mimi. Say M should be capital. M-I-M-I Mimi. Then at last full stop. Cat's name is Mimi. Okay, this way you have to write down answer. This way you have to type in FA2 exam. Okay? See, listen properly. This way you have to type in the paper. First letter should be capital and Mimi, M should be capital in Mimi. Then full stop. Okay, children? You have to do this way in the paper. Okay, you have written in your book. Question 1. What is cat's name? Answer 1 is cat's name is Mimi. M-I-M-I. Then full stop. Very good. Now question number 2. See question 2. Write down question 2. First you have to write. Question 2. What? W-H-A-T. What? Is. I-S. Is. What is dogs? D-O-G. Then apostrophe S. Dog's name. N-A-M-E. Name. Then question mark. Okay, children? In answer, you all know the answer, no? You are writing well. See, dogs, D-O-G, then apostrophe S. Dogs, D should be capital. Dog's name is Fluffy. F, capital F. It is dog's name. F, L, U, double F, Y. Fluffy, then full stop. Dog's name is fluffy. Okay, children? You have done this? Come on again, if those who have not written, I will read again. See this. Okay? Question 1. What is cat's name? Answer 1 is cat's name is Mimi. Cat's name is Mimi. Question number 2. What is dog's name? Question 2. What? W-H-A-T. What is dog's, D-O-G-S, dog's name, N-A-M-E, name. What is dog's name? Answer 2 is dogs, D-O-G, then apostrophe S. Dog's name is Fluffy. Okay, children? See here, capital D you have to write. Dog's name is Fluffy, F capital, if this question comes. Okay? Yes, write properly. In the paper also type it well. Okay? Now see. Question number 1. Why? W-H-Y. Write down in your book. Why is Swati scared? Scared, T-O, to go, G-O, go to school. See again I am repeating. Why? W-H-Y I-S is Swati scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared to go to school. Why is Swati scared to go to school? S-C-H-O-O-L, school. You have written question? Yes, write fast, word by word. Okay, answer 1. See, I am writing answer. You have to copy it in your book. Okay? Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because she, S-H-E, she doesn't, D-O-E-S-N-T, doesn't know, K-N-O-W, know anyone, A-N-Y-O-N-E, anyone in the new class, N-E-W, new, C-L-A-S-S, class. Okay, children, see once again I am reading word to word. You have to write down if you have not written. Question 1. Why? W-H-Y. Why is Swati? S-W-A-T-I. Swati scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared to go to school. Why is Swati scared to go to school? Answer is this way you have to type if this question comes in FA1, FA2, okay? FA2 exam, if this question comes, no, this way you have to type. Answer 1. Because spelling, right? Type spelling properly, okay? B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because she doesn't know. No, see the spelling of no, K-N-O-W, no. Anyone, A-N-Y, anyone, O-N-E-one, A-N-Y-O-N-E, anyone. In, the, T-H-E, the, new, N-E-W, new, class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Because she doesn't know anyone in the new class. Okay, children, you all have done this in your book. Fair book also you have written, no? Now question number 2. Write down this question 2. What? W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What? Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Very good. What does mother? M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. First. F-I-R-S-T. First. Say. S-A-Y. Say to Swati. S-W-A-T-I. Swati, then question mark. Okay, children, question number 2. What does mother first say to Swati? What does mother first say to Swati? Very good. Answer 2 is mother says that Swati will make new friends. If this question comes now, you have to write this way. Type it in the paper. Okay? Answer number 2. See, right now you write in your HW book. Answer 2 is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother says S-A-Y-S. Says that. T-H-A-T. That Swati. S-W-A-T-I. Swati will make. M-A-K-E. Make new. N-E-W. New friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Mother says that Swati will make new friends. Very good, those who have written. Okay, those who are writing slow, write fast, beta. See, I am reading again for those who are writing slow. Mother, M capital. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother says, S-A-Y-S, says that, T-H-A-T, that. Swati, S-W-A-T-I, Swati will, W-I-L-L, will make, M-A-K-E, make new, N-E-W, new, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Make new friends. Very good, those who have written. Okay, children. Very good. See, if this question comes now, you have to write this way. You have to type it. Okay, children. Yes. Now, question 3. Write down in your book. Question 3. What? W-H-A-T. What does Swati, S-W-A-T-I, Swati, like, L-I-K-E, like, about, A-B-O-U-T, about her, H-E-R, her school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, in, I-N, in, the, T-H-E, the, and, E-N-D, and. Answer 3 is, copy this fast. Capital I should be capital, okay? In, the, and, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, E-N-D, and, then comma. In the and, Swati, S-W-A-T-I, Swati likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes teachers, T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers, then comma. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends, and, A-N-D, and learning, L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G, learning new, N-E-W, new things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, then full stop. In the end, Swati likes teachers, friends, and learning new things. Okay, students, now I hope you all have written this in your book. Okay, from this video I spoke and you wrote. Okay, so you have to do with good handwriting in your homework book. You are doing homework, no? So revise this homework. Okay, be prepared for FA2 exams. read questions properly and see options are given, read the options also and then tick the correct answer. Okay children? Yes, in question answers you have to type the answer. Okay? Yes. So best of luck for your FA1, FA2 exams and okay and be ready for the paper. Thank you all.